Looking for that perfect home in the Sterlington School District in a great neighborhood? This is the one for you. This home has so much to offer for all in the family. This home features 3 bedrooms/2 full baths, open floor plan, formal dining that is currently being used as an office, fireplace with gas logs, custom cabinetry in the living and dining room, large master bedroom with ensuite jacuzzi tub and walk-in shower. Step out the back door to an amazing enclosed patio area overlooking the beautiful in-ground pool and fire pit area that is perfect for these cool nights. And they didn't forget the man of the house. There is an utility garage with storage room for your boat, ATVs and those other toys. Call your favorite agent today for your private showing.